Whew! Did you see how easy that was to get out of the truck? Well, in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about the Yita Motors side running boards that are a heck of a lot cheaper than the ones you get straight from the dealer and work just as well. So in this video, stick around. I'll let you know what I think about them. We'll go through the installation process and then we'll go ahead and finish it all up. So what's going to come in the box of your Yita Motor running boards are going to be the running boards themselves, which are a bit lighter than you might expect. They have this nice wrinkle finish to them. And they're aluminum, which means they're going to be nice and rust free, which is pretty sweet. Past that, it's going to come with some super thick steel mounting brackets. This is actually going to hold the running board on. Of course, your hardware. And then that's right, I'm going to use the instructions that come with it too. To begin the install, you're going to want to get all your tools together. Actually, pretty small group of tools. All we're going to need is a 12mm ratchet and box wrench, some Loctite 248, a flat blade to pop the little plastic covers off on the body, and then I'd suggest getting some degreaser like the Super Clean rag to be able to clean it up, and then finally a torque wrench so that we can torque everything down. Now I'll have all these tools linked in the description below, along with the Sidesteps in case you want those as well. From there, what we're going to go ahead and do is locate the 4 spots where the brackets can mount, and we're going to use spot 1, 2, and spot 4. Then take your screwdriver to pop out the plugs that are covering the screw holes that are inside of the body, and then take your degreaser, spray down that area, use a rag to wipe it off nice and clean. After that, you're going to mount up your bracket using 2 bolts as well as a washer. I'd put a little bit of the Loctite 248 on there to help it from backing off, and mount this up snug but not tight. Once all 3 brackets are on, you can now go ahead and take your running board and start to line that up on the 3 brackets. From here, you'll notice you've got 6 bolts on the underside of the running board, and you'll loosen those up, make sure to run them through on the bracket, and adjust everything to plumb before you begin to tighten. After everything's all tight, go ahead, take your torque wrench, and you're going to want to torque each of the bolts down to 15 foot-pounds, and then check it periodically after you're using it on the road to make sure that they stay snug or snug it up as needed. Well, thanks for hanging out with me while I install these Yita Motors running boards. I'll tell you what, personally, I think they look pretty nice. They mounted up on the truck, super easy, and there's really not much more that I could ask for. So go ahead and let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. While you're at it, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring that bell. That way you can see more videos about pickup trucks, RC cars, all sorts of fun motoring things on Junior's Gasoline Alley. Thanks for watching. So much better.